Welcome to Unit 12.1. Today we're going to be talking about parabolas, which should be a review from Algebra 1. Some things we'll be reviewing in this lesson are pretty common. We'll be reviewing parabolas, focus and directrix theorem, and Pythagorean distance formula. To recap, a parabola is a set of all points that are equidistant to a point, focus, and a line, the directrix. To refresh your memory, I'll be drawing a parabola with an axis of symmetry, the focus, the vertex, and the directrix. Now, as we know, the vertex is always h, k. Also, as we know, from the focus to any point, let's say x, y, is the same distance or equidistant to the same x, y from the directrix. Remember, too, the axis of symmetry always goes through both the vertex and the focus point. This is a parabola where a is greater than 0, but if a is less than 0, the directrix would be above the y-axis and the focus would be below. Next, I'll be going into the focus and directrix theorem. For any non-zero real number a, the graph of y equals ax squared is the parabola with focus at 0, 1 over 4a and directrix at y is equal to negative 1 over 4a. For our first problem, we're going to be looking at a parabola with the equation y is equal to 1 over 7x squared. We're going to be finding the coordinates of focus, the coordinates of vertex, and we're going to state the equation of its directrix. For problem 1, part A, looking at the focus and directrix theorem, you can see that the graph of y is equal to 1/7 x squared. The focus is always going to be at 0, 1 over 4a. So you take 1/4 and multiply it by the reciprocal of 1/7, giving you your answer of your focus, 0, 7 over 4. For part B, we can tell that the vertex is 0, 0 because there are no translations on 1/7 x squared. For part C, looking at the focus and directrix theorem, we know y is equal to negative 1 over 4a. So taking the reciprocal of 1/7 and multiplying it together, you get your answer of y is equal to negative 7 over 4. By using the Pythagorean distance formula, for our next problem, we can find the equation for a parabola with the focus at 0, 2 and the directrix at y is equal to negative 2. First, you're going to look at your focus and directrix and substitute them into the distance formula. Then you'll solve for y. So first, you'll square both sides. Then, after squaring, you're going to expand. Then you'll add negative y squared minus 4 to both sides. Then you'll add 4y to both sides and solve for y. Now for problem number 3, using the equation we just found, y is equal to 1/8 x squared, we're going to pick a point, 12, 18 on the parabola, and show that the focus 0, 2 and the directrix y, negative 2 are equidistant. Now finding the distance from our focus to our point 12, 18, we get the value of 20. Then we find the distance from our directrix to the point 12, 18. You can never have a negative number as a distance, so you take the absolute value of -2. 18 plus 2 equals 20, and both equal 20, meaning they're equidistant.
I was scared of the focus and directrix theorem. The focus was 0,1/4a. The directrix is y equals -1/4a. The parabola is equidistant between the focus and directrix. Don't forget about the distance formula.